Unit 6, Lesson 1. Questions with who. Who is a question word. Who is used to ask about people. Who can be used with the verb be and this or that. Who is this? Who is this? This is me. Who is that? That is Brian. Who can also be used with the verb be, a demonstrative and a noun. Who are these men? Who is this girl? Who is that boy? Who are these girls? These girls are my sisters. Who are those kids? Those kids are my friends. Who can also be used with the verb be, an article, and a noun. Who is a teacher? Who is a doctor? Maya is a doctor. Who is the student? The student is Paul. Who can also be used with the verb be and a personal pronoun. Who are you? Who are they? They are brothers. Who is it? It is the Parks. Let's review the who question forms. Who is that? Who are these kids? Who are the workers? Who am I? Who is this? Who are those people? Who is an actor? Who are you? Now, let's practice with our books and workbooks. Happy practicing!